Welcome to a free-form movement experience where you get to decide how to move your body as you are guided through the alchemy of the elements. The element of water connects us with our emotions. We dance to release and let go of all the suppressed feelings we've been holding on to. Dance with the element of fire and honor our tribal ancestors. The tribal people weren't just pounding down, they were also equally lifting up. As they danced, they knew they were receiving energy from the earth. Breathe deeply into your heart and connect with the sensation of love.
I had been in a state of almost apathy for a little while because right now, all of our sensory experiences that are fundamental to me and for my creativity are being so restricted and limited that it's having an effect on my passions and my general well-being. And this type of dancing, these sessions, are a means to release that, an outlet that can fit into these circumstances.
We are becoming more aware of ourselves and what's around us. We are remembering why we have come here, and we are experiencing more grace and ease in our body, mind, and emotions, lifting our spirits.
It was very freeing, and it was a really great way to release all the negative energy and bring in the positive energy. Afterwards, you feel very light and soft.
We dance to become unstuck and flow into a more natural rhythm of life. Feel yourself coming back home into your body. Our practice connects us with our mind, body, and soul in a holistic way so that we can connect with the wisdom within, our creativity, and our intuition. It's more than a dance. It's a healing modality that incorporates somatic therapy, promotes healthy connection, and brings communities together.